Ever felt that spark of a story idea, but the words just wouldn't come out right? Or maybe you're a parent trying to find a new, exciting way to create bedtime stories with your kids. What if I told you that you could build your own storyteller? A little robot friend designed to spin tales with you. Well, get ready, because today, we're diving into the amazing world of Build-A-Story bots. So, what exactly are these things? Imagine a fusion of Lego, a creative writing class, and your favorite sci-fi movie. Build-A-Story bots are customizable robots that help you generate, develop, and even narrate stories. This isn't just about pressing a button and getting a random plot. No, this is a truly interactive and collaborative experience. You're the director, and your bot is your creative partner. Let's break down how it works. It usually starts with a physical kit. You assemble your bot from various parts. Maybe you want a futuristic bot with sleek silver panels, or a whimsical one made of colorful, transparent pieces. Each component you add can influence the bot's personality and the types of stories it tells. For example, adding a mystery module might make your bot lean towards detective stories, while a fantasy crystal could unlock tales of dragons and enchanted forests. This physical building process is half the fun and really connects you to your creation. Once your bot is assembled, you connect it to an app on your tablet or computer. This is where the real magic begins. The app is your command center. You can give your bot prompts, like tell me a story about a brave squirrel who wants to fly to the moon. But it goes deeper than that. You can feed it character traits. The squirrel is clumsy, but very determined. You can set the scene. The story starts in a bustling city park in autumn. The bot then uses its AI to weave these elements together. It doesn't just spit out a finished story. Instead, it offers you choices along the way. It might ask, the squirrel finds an old, forgotten kite. Should he try to fix it? Or should he ask the wise old owl for help? Your decisions shape the narrative, making every story unique. It's like those classic choose-your-own-adventure books, but brought to life with your very own robot sidekick. Think about the possibilities. For aspiring writers, this is an incredible tool to overcome writer's block. You can use the bot to brainstorm plot points, develop characters, or just play around with different genres to find your voice. It's a no-pressure environment to just be creative. For parents and educators, this is a game changer. It makes storytelling interactive and turns learning about narrative structure, character development, and plot into a super fun activity. Kids aren't just passively listening. They're actively participating in creating the story. This builds critical thinking skills, vocabulary, and a lifelong love for reading and creating. And the best part, the technology is constantly evolving. Some of the newer models can generate illustrations to go along with the story in real time. Others have voice synthesizers that you can customize, so your bot can tell the story in a deep, booming voice or a quirky, high-pitched one. There are even online communities where you can share the stories you have created with your bot and get inspired by what others are making. It's a whole ecosystem built around collaborative creativity. So, whether you're a seasoned writer looking for a new source of inspiration, a parent wanting to create magical moments with their children, or just someone who loves technology and storytelling, Build-A-Story bots offer something truly special. It's a reminder that technology doesn't have to replace our creativity. It can amplify it, giving us new tools to explore the infinite worlds waiting in our imaginations. What kind of story would you build with your own bot? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little peek into the future of storytelling, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.